Differences between moderator and mediator. Moderator versus mediator. Definition 1 of moderator is that it is a third variable in model that affects strengths of relationship between two variables, while mediator is a third variable in model that acts as generative mechanism between two variables. Definition 2 of moderator is that it is variable that can alter the linkage between X and Y, while mediator explains the process through which two variables are related. The moderator is used because to establish when or under what conditions X influences Y, while the mediator is used because to establish how or why a linkage between X and Y exits. The synonyms of moderator is moderating variable, while synonyms of mediator are mediating variable or intervening variable. Type of variables used for moderator are interval, continuous, ratio or categorical, while type of variables used for mediator are interval, continuous or ratio. In a moderation relationship, you can draw an arrow from the moderator to the relationship between X and Y, while, in a mediation relationship, you can draw an arrow from an independent variable to a mediator and then from the mediator to Y. Moderator can amplify or reverse that effect of X on response, while mediator reduces the direct effect of X on response. Moderator must not be the causal result of X, while mediator must be a causal result of X and a causal antecedent of Y. Moderator answer hypothesis of when and for whom, while mediator answer hypothesis of how and why. Simple and complex model of both moderation and mediation can be examined with multiple regression and structural equation modeling. Moderation analysis is less powerful than mediation analysis. Moderator affects the strength and direction of that relationship are the feature of moderation. In moderation analysis, the effect of moderator is moderated effect, not direct effect, while mediation analysis is highly recommended as consider is more flexible and statistically powerful than moderation analysis are the feature of mediation. In mediation analysis, the effect of mediator is direct effect. In a study on work experience, X and salary, Y, you assume that years of work experience predicts salary. When controlling for related variables, gender identity moderates the link between work experience and salary. This means that the link between years of experience and salary would differ between men, women and those who do not identify as men or women is the example of simple moderation model, while in a study on socio-economic status, X and reading ability in children, Y, you hypothesize that parental education levels is a mediator. This means that socio-economic status affects reading ability mainly through its influence on parental education levels is the example of simple mediation model. Here is the diagrammatic representation of above example in which independent variable is work experience, salary is dependent variable and moderator is gender in figure 1. While independent variable is socioeconomic status, child reading ability is dependent variable and mediator is parental education levels in figure 2. First type is simple moderated mediation model in which we can use one mediator and one moderator. The mediator is between independent variable and dependent variable, while moderator is between mediator and dependent variable. Second type is simple moderated mediation model with double effect in which we can use one mediator and one moderator between independent variable and dependent variable. Third type is multiple moderated mediation model in which we can use two moderators and one mediator between independent variable and dependent variable. Fourth type is multiple moderated mediation model with double effect, in which we can use two moderators and one mediators between independent variable and dependent variable. 5 type is multiple moderated mediation model with multiple mediators, in which we can use two moderators and three mediators between independent variable and dependent variable. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.